Good morning. This is Dr. Sarvesh Kumar, Assistant Professor, Faculty of Law and Governance. Today, I am discussing the geographical indication of goods registration and protection act 1999. I am discussing the relevancy of this act under IPR. Firstly, I want to explain some provision of this act. The act shall be called this called geographical indication of Goods Registration and Protection Act 1999. It extends to the whole of India. It comes into force on such date as the central government of India by notification published in official gazette. Here some relevant provision of this act. Some relevant provision of this act. Section 2 define of this act appellate board means appellate board established under section 83 of the Trademark Act 1999. Geographical indication means in relation to goods means an indication which identifies such goods as agricultural goods, natural goods, or manufactured goods as originating or manufactured in the territory of country or region or locality in that territory where a given quality, reputation, or other characteristics of such goods is essentially attributed to the geographical origin. And in case where such goods are manufactured, goods activity, either the production or of processing or preparation of goods concerned take place in such territory, region, or locality as the case may be. There is a goods means any agricultural, natural, or manufactured goods or any goods of handicraft or of industry, and includes food stuff also under this act. Indication means any name, geographical or figurative representation or any combination of them conveying or suggesting the geographical origin of goods to which it applies. Package means include any case, box, container, covering, folder, respectable vessel, casket, bottle, wrapper, label, band, ticket, reel, frame, capsule, cap, lid, stopper, and cork. Producer means here the geographical indication of goods and registration and Protection Act 1999. Under this act, the goods means are natural goods are agricultural, natural or foods manufacture goods. Here I want to explain again the word goods means any agriculture, goods means any agricultural, natural or manufactured goods or any goods of handicraft or of industry and includes food stuff. Here some authority has been appointed for the purpose of this act. Registrar means the central government of India. For the purpose of this act, appoint registrar for assigned work, and tribunal is also constituted for the purpose of the geographical indication of goods registration and protection act 1999. The tribunal means the registrar, or as the case may be, appellate board before which the proceeding concerned is pending. Section 3 of the Geographical Indication of Goods Registration and Protection Act 1999. The section 3 of this act, the registrar of geographical indication, the Controller General of Patent, Design and Trademark marks appointed under subsection 1 of section 3 of the Trademark Act 1999 shall be the registrar of geographical indication. The central government may appoint for the purpose of this act some officers with such designation as it thinks fit for the purpose of discharging under the superintendence and direction of the registrar such function of the registrar under this act as he may from time to time authorize them to discharge the work related to the geographical indication of goods Registration and Protection Act 1999. Power of registrar to withdraw or transfer cases etc. Section 4 describe about the power of registrar under this act without prejudice the generality of the provision of the section 2. The registrar may by order in the writing and region for to be recorded therein withdraw any matter pending before an officer appointed under the said subsection 2 and deal with such matter himself either de novo or from the stage it was so withdraw or transfer the same to another officer so appointed who may subject to special directions in the order of transfer proceed with the matter either de novo or from the stage it was so transferred. Section 5 of this act means Geographical Indication of Goods Registration and Protection Act 1999. Section 5 talks about for the purpose of this act there shall be established a registry which shall be known as the Geographical Indication Registry. The head office of the Geographical Indication Registry shall be at such place as the central government may by notification in the official gazette specify, and for the purpose of facilitating the registration of geographical indication there may be established at such places as the central government may think fit branch offices of the Geographical Indication Registry. Here I want to explain section 9 of this act talks about prohibition of registration of certain geographical indication. A geographical indication, the use of which would be likely to deceive or cause confusion. And second one is that the use of which would be contrary to any law or for the time being in force. Third one is that which comprise or contains scandalous or obscene matter or athva which comprise or contains any matter likely to hurt the religious susceptibility of any class or section of the citizens of the society India which would otherwise be entitled to protection in a court or which are determined to be generic names or indication of goods and are therefore not are seized to be protected in the country. And next and last ground refusal of registration of geographical indication, which although literally true as to the territory region or locality in which the goods originate but falsely represent to others. Application for the registration of the geographical indication of goods act 1999. The section 11 talks about registration of the geographical indication of any association of person or producers or any organization or authority established by or under any law. मैम ऑनलाइन क्लास ले रहा हूँ, अभी 5 मिनट रुक. Under any law for the time being in force, representing the interest of the producers of the concerned goods. And here I have discussed relevant provision under geographical indication of goods registration and protection act 1999. And last one is that the power section 27 talks about power to cancel or vary registration and to rectify the register. It described the power of registrar to cancel the registration of geographical indication if any rules violated by the concerned owner. And last section 31 describe appeals to the appellate board. If any aggrieved person from the order of registrar, then he can file appeal before the appellate board, which is constituted under this Geographical Indication of Goods Registration Act 1999. So I have discussed relevant provision of the Geographical Indication of Goods Registration and Protection Act 1999. Okay, thanks. I will meet in next session. Okay, dear student. Okay.